In the heart of the Mediterranean, Mallorca is much more than stunning beaches and breathtaking landscapes. Its gastronomy reflects centuries of history, traditions, and the richness of its land. Today, on Koala Planet, we'll discover the island's most authentic flavors through its traditional dishes and iconic products. 1. The Mallorcan ensaimada. There is no sweeter symbol of the island than the ensaimada. Its spiral shape and fluffy texture make it irresistible. It can be enjoyed plain, lightly dusted with powdered sugar, or filled with pumpkin jam, custard, chocolate, or even sobrasada. Dating back to the 17th century, this pastry has become Mallorca's most famous ambassador around the world. 2. Sobrasada of Mallorca. This flavorful cured sausage is one of the island's culinary icons. Made with pork, spices, and paprika, sobrasada can be spread on bread, drizzled with honey, or added to stews and traditional recipes. Its protected designation of origin guarantees authenticity, and its intense taste is deeply tied to Mallorcan identity. 3. Tumbet. A humble yet delicious dish that embodies the Mediterranean diet. Made with potatoes, eggplants, zucchini, and peppers, all fried and topped with homemade tomato sauce, Tumbet is a tribute to Mallorca's fertile fields. Simple, fresh, and full of flavor, it captures the essence of summer on the island. 4. Coca de trampó. Light, colorful, and quintessentially Mallorcan, Coca de trampó combines a thin pastry base with a topping of chopped tomato, onion, and peppers, dressed with olive oil. Served warm or cold, it is a popular choice for family gatherings and celebrations, proving that simplicity can be exquisite. 5. Mallorcan snails. Though it may surprise many visitors, snails are a traditional dish in Mallorca. They are cooked in a flavorful broth with herbs such as fennel, mint, and spearmint, and usually served with alioli and bread. This is a recipe full of aroma and tradition, much loved by locals. 6. Mallorcan soups. This rustic, comforting dish is a perfect example of peasant cuisine. Made with thin slices of country bread, seasonal vegetables, and broth, these soups adapt to each season. They are a symbol of home-style cooking passed down through generations. 7. Frito Mallorcan. One of the island's oldest dishes, and perhaps one of the most surprising. It's made with meat, potatoes, peppers, fennel, and sometimes liver, fried together to create a hearty, flavorful meal. Traditionally served during festivities, it is a dish with a lot of personality. 8. Fish and seafood in Mallorca. The island's maritime tradition is also present at the table. Fresh fish and seafood are central to Mallorcan cuisine, often grilled, baked, or prepared with aromatic herbs. Among the most famous dishes is the lobster stew, and of course, freshly caught fish served straight from the Mediterranean. 9. Mallorcan wines. Mallorca has 2 wine designations of origin, Benesalam and Plai Levant. Using native grape varieties such as Manto Negro, Caulet, and Prensel Blanc, the island produces wines with a distinctive Mediterranean character. Sun, sea breeze, and tradition all combine in every glass. 10. Potato buns of Valldemossa. In the charming village of Valldemossa, travelers can taste these soft, fluffy, and lightly sweet buns known as coques de patata. Best enjoyed with coffee or hot chocolate, they. Mallorcan gastronomy is a journey through time and tradition, connecting past and present in every recipe. Each dish tells a story, each flavor reflects the Mediterranean spirit, and each bite brings you closer to the island's culture. So, when you visit Mallorca, don't just admire its natural beauty. Sit at the table, taste its flavors, and discover that Mallorca is also meant to be savored.